morning, I'm Lindsay. Welcome to 10 at 10, where I'll be leading us through some breathing and gentle yoga movements to start our day. So let's begin in a comfortable seat. And as you come into that, just give a little roll side to side, finding that rooting through your sits bones. And then as you find that, just a little roll front and back, side to side with your hips and spine. As you begin to find that place where your shoulders balance over your hips with ease. Just allowing your hands to rest comfortably on your lap. You can allow your gaze to soften or your eyes to close. Allow the crown of your head to reach towards the ceiling. You might find a gentle tuck of your chin, allowing a bit more length through the back of your neck. And just begin to notice your breath. Notice where it is residing in your body in this moment. Maybe you feel it in your throat or chest. Maybe you feel it in your upper or lower belly. Maybe you feel it into your lower back and hips. Wherever you're noticing that breath, slowly allow the awareness of your breath to help deepen and lengthen. Letting that breath move a bit wider in your body, allowing this stretch and opening from the inside out. And take a moment here to notice how you feel today in this moment. Physically, any sensations you're noticing. Any feelings, emotions that arrive in this moment, taking some time to just acknowledge this place that you're at now. And as an intention for today, I'd like to invite us to make a dedication. Dedicating these moments to someone in your life, maybe a group of people, somebody that you want to send love, light, positive energy to today. So take a moment to bring that person or that group of people to the forefront of your mind. And then let this intention and energy start to move with your breath. As you inhale, bring that intention, that dedication into your body. As you exhale, release and share, send that dedication out. Inhale fills you up. Exhale sends it out. Take one or two more rounds of breath here. And then slowly start to blink your eyes open or find that point of focus just in front of you. And as you inhale, reach your hands up and out overhead, stretching, taking up space. As you exhale, drop that right hand down, reach up and over with your left hand, drop that left hip, roll that left shoulder back, let your gaze lift. Inhale brings you center. Exhale, right arm under left, either finding that eagle wrap or that bear hug. And then reach your fingertips or elbow points up and back as your pelvis presses forward. As you exhale, elbows into belly, let your head and neck become heavy, round your spine. And take a sway here, side to side, giving a gentle massage to your upper back and neck. As your shoulder blades move from the midline of your body. Inhale, coming back up through center. Reach those fingertips or elbow points up and back. And then release that grip. Sweep your hands up overhead once more. This time letting that left hand come down, stretching up and over to the left. Drop that right hip, roll that right shoulder back, lift your gaze. Inhale, bring yourself center. This time taking that left arm under your right, grabbing that eagle wrap or that bear hug. Inhale, fingertips or elbow points reach up and back. As you exhale, round your spine, head and neck is heavy. Take that sway, give that massage. As you inhale, maybe feeling that breath move into your lower back or down into your hips. Inhale, start to come back up through center, fingertips or elbow points reach up and back. Exhale, release your arms, sweep them overhead once more. And as you exhale, hands come through center line, palms release. Go ahead and come to extend your legs on your mat, but keep a bend in your knees. We're gonna come back into a seated forward fold that we explored earlier in the week. So take those peace fingers to your big toes. Use that grip on your toes to help lengthen your spine as your shoulder blades roll onto your back and the crown of head reaches up and out. And then from here, just start to take that walk forward with your heels. And you might want or need to keep a bend in your knees. You might feel like moving into totally lengthened legs feels really nice. So just explore where that lands for you. And then from there, really use that grip to lengthen your spine, pull your chest through, and then using the strength of your arms, pull your chest just a little bit more towards your legs. Deep inhale here. Stay for that exhale. Take one more inhale, finding length and space. As you exhale, release that grip on your feet. Let your spine round, let your head become heavy. Let your shoulder blades soften away from your spine. And then inhale, slowly start to roll back up. Shoulders come over hips, head comes on top. And then take that right leg over your left leg. Flex your left toes back towards your knee and start to walk that right foot out to the side, working towards having your right knee over your left knee. You might find that that leg has to stay up a little bit, and that's totally fine, but just see how far you can move that right leg over towards the side. And then from here, find that length through your spine. Inhale. As you exhale, begin to walk your hands down your mat any amount. This will really start to intensify that sensation in your left calf, in your hamstring. You might start to feel that into your glute. Inhale brings a bit more length. Exhale brings a little softening and surrender. Take another inhale. As you exhale, let your spine round, let your head and neck get heavy. Again, this might change how you experience the sensation in that left leg. So notice that sensation, and then find your breath. Inhale, slowly start to walk your hands back up through center. And then switch that out. Extend that right leg long. Take that left leg over your right. And again, just walk that foot out any amount to the side. Again, just thinking about bringing that left knee over your right knee. And it might be different on this side. You might find you can get a little bit further or might feel a little bit further away. That's totally normal. Flex through those right toes. Inhale, find that length through your spine. Exhale, take that walk with your hands forward. Tuning into that sensation that arises in that right leg. Inhale, find length. Exhale, hinge at your hips as your heart reaches towards your legs. One more inhale here to find length. This exhale, let that rounding come into your spine. Head and neck become heavy. Noticing where and how that sensation shifts in that right leg. And as you find that next inhale, slowly start to come back up through center. Extend that left leg long. You might give a little wiggle, shake through your legs here. And then just come back to that comfortable seat. We'll just return for 3 breaths to that intention of dedication. Letting your hands rest in your lap, your gaze soften, or your eyes close. Bringing that person or people back to the forefront of your mind. Taking 3 breaths here to remember and send that love and energy out to them. Inhale and exhale. On your next inhale, bring your hands to your heart center, and then up to your third eye center, that place right between your brows. Connecting your heart's desire with your mind's intention. Namaste. Thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day.